Hello, everyone. This is Professor Maloney, and I'm making yet another training video for PowerPoint. I would have thought PowerPoint would have just been two videos. You know the problems we had yesterday with the site, so it was hard to do much. I did do the Chapter 5 training after our class, and after I verified that nobody was coming to the office hour session. I think it was about 40 minutes. But there were a lot of tasks in the Chapter 5 simulation training activities. They weren't hard, but I mean, some of them, had quite a few steps. And just like with Access and Excel and Word, so while I'm saying that, I will tell you that you're going to get at least an hour and 45 minutes to finish the exam, and most of you will finish it way shorter than that. All right. The exam, remember, is going to be the 27th during class time. All right, so now I'm going to do Chapter 6 simulation training, and I hope that this video will be less than 30 minutes. We shall see, but either way, you're going to have at least this video, and then I'll do a project demonstration. You guys have two projects, Chapter 3 and Chapter 4 for PowerPoint. So I'll do the Chapter 3, about half of it, 40 to 50% anyway, and that video I'll be doing sometime this Easter weekend. All right. Meaning tomorrow, the next day, or the next day. All right, so let me stop showing me. Let me go over here. Let me share my screen. Share my screen. Oh, I should write down when this started. I usually do that. I'll say it was 11:19. So 11, I'll say 18, because it was probably at least 2 minutes ago. All right, so 11:18. Let me scratch out the one I did last night where I had written 8:20. Okay, so I've already got MyLab IT up. Okay, so in module 3, remember again, you have until the 26th to do your 4 training simulations. That's chapters 3, 4, 5, 6 to make 4. And the 2 projects are chapters 3 and 4. And of course, you have your practice simulation exams as well. So I'm going to go in here. I've already done, again, 2 videos. Remember, one was half of chapter 3, 40%, I should say, of chapter 3, 40% of chapter 4, and the last one was about 40% of chapter 5. So now I'm going to go to chapter 6. So this, say I did that one last night. Okay, it says 37 minutes. I thought it told me it was 39, so I rounded it to 40, but either way, it's about that. Simulation training. Okay, so click it. Get rid of that thing. Okay. Oh, shoot, I didn't verify I'm recording. Oh, God darn it. Let me go back over there for a minute. That's very important. So here, let's see. It looks like it's, okay, I am recording. I am sharing. My volume is on fine. Okay, let me get out of that because I don't like to show that view with all those lines. And now back to this. All right, so first one. Change student name to exploring series on slide 1. Well, this is sure easy. You see student name here, so we just double click, triple click, or of course you single click and drag, and then change that to exploring series, capital E and capital S with a space in between. Okay, I didn't enter, it just moved me to the next step. So by moving me to the next step, and it does that obviously sometimes, so that's all fine. All right, so now let's see, customize the ribbon to display the draw tab. Okay, we've done this several times for the quick access toolbar. So let's do this one here. So let's see. So we shall go up and look at what options we have. I always go through options, although I sometimes do it through the quick access, but anyway. So let me go into options. And we want to customize, so we want to customize the ribbon. Okay, let's see. So yada yada yada, customize to display the draw tab. Okay, so these are where you can have things, where you can add things from. Here's what they want to show right now under the customizing the ribbon. We're under main tabs, and we want the draw tab. Let's see, draw is here, but it's just not selected, so it's not showing. Okay, otherwise I'd have to add draw from here. But it is here, but I have to put a check mark, okay, and then click OK. That should be it. Okay. All right. So now it says change the color of the black pen, or of the black pen to orange. All right, so we're going to go up here and just take care of that thing there. Let's see, let me just see if this is my son. Something I can't see, yes, or something. All right, I'll text him after. Okay, so in the draw tab, change that draw tab. So go in here, and we have 3 pens. They're saying the black pen. So click on black pen. Okay, change the color of the black pen on the draw tab to orange. So let me make sure it is. So it's still the black pen, but they want it to be, I guess, a marker, a marking in orange. So click the down arrow. That's yellow. That's orange, I think. Orange. Click that. Okay, so that is done. Now let's see. Position the cursor after the equal sign in the last bullet on slide 6. So let's go to slide 6. Slide 6. Oh, okay. They're like doing a math formula or something, but not doing it in Excel. Position the cursor after the equal sign. So over here, just after equal. I'm going to use the pen. Okay, so I'm going to use my pen to go ahead and do this. Okay, and they want me to draw, meaning write, but like print, a $sign and then 2108 after the equal sign. So $sign. Okay, so I'm going to click over here. So you can see the pen is selected. I don't think I clicked on anything, so it's probably still from this previous one. So I'm going to make a $sign. Do my best to make a $sign anyway. So click like that. Whoops, that's way too big. Way too big. Way too big. And then draw a line through it to make it look like a $. And then put a 2. Oops. A 1. 0. An 8. I wonder if they won't accept my printing. Hopefully they will. An 8. A point. A dot, that is, I guess. 3. That looks like a B, not an 8. Let's see what they say. 3. And oops, shoot. Let's see if I can fix that 3. Maybe. We'll see. And then another 3. All right, so let's see. So draw that as the answer and then convert the answer to text. So what I have to do is hit my escape key and then that should convert it. It did. It's horrible though. Let's see. And then, so when I convert it though, actually, it's not converted yet. Let's see. How the heck do I convert that to text? There's something up there. Oh, ink to text. There. Ink to text. Okay, I did that. See, position the cursor. Use the pen to draw 210833. Oh, okay, I have to, okay, yeah, see, it has a, what do you call that? That like thin black plus sign. And when they have that, I think usually they want me to draw something or select something. So I'm just going to kind of circle it that way and see if they, okay. Oh, now they converted it. Oh, okay, so they turned it into a good looking 210833. There, that's how I typed it or printed it. Yeah, that was cool. All right. So change the Microsoft username to ES. Well, that should be a pretty easy one. So we go into our file. And of course, in our file, that means what? We're in our backstage view. So we got to go down to our options. And they want change the Microsoft Office username. So here's the username, Sims. And they want it to be exploring. We typed this on another answer a little while ago. Tab over to this box and change the initial to ES for exploring series. So username exploring series ES and then say OK. All right. Now we're going to play the slideshow from the beginning and advance, excuse me, advance through the first 4 slides. All right, so if we want to play it from the beginning, so let me go up here and pick the first slide. So they want me to go to, so there's a slideshow tab, but I'm having trouble understanding. One thing from the beginning, but advance through the first floor because there's 9 slides. So I'm probably gonna okay, I'll be hitting, I guess, the space bar as I go, because when you hit slideshow from beginning, it just plays. So from beginning, and now when it's here, well, they don't have any timers set up for it. Okay, so yeah, this is manual. Okay, so I'm gonna hit space, let's see, through the first 4. So this would be slide 1. So 1, 2, I'm hitting the space bar, 3, 4. Okay, so I've done that. Now they want me to use the annotation pen. I've already used that annotation pen. Let's see. So, okay, it's down. There's some stuff down here. Is this the pen? Okay, so click on that pen. You see it's kind of light down there. You can probably do like I think Control P might pull up a pen too. I forget my old control stuff. But either way, it's visible on the bottom. So click pen. Okay, now what? So using the annotation pen, draw a circle where the horizontal axis title should be. Well, so the horizontal axis means it's from left to right. So that axis, that title would be down here. And then draw a question mark within the circle. Okay, so I'm going to basically just click here. I guess they just want us practicing, using this kind of thing. So that, more or less like that. See if they take it. Nope, they did not. They didn't like it. Maybe it needs to be bigger. Go down more. Oh, nope, didn't like that either. Oh my. Come on. Draw a circle where. Oh, maybe, wait, as a circle? Circle, I wasn't doing a circle. Okay, big circle. Let me allowed attempts, you stupid
With
thing.
slide 4 displayed, press Control P.
Why? It was right. Oh, that may be why they didn't like it, because I clicked it. Control P.
Click and drag to draw a circle where the horizontal axis title should appear, and then draw a question mark within that circle.
Interesting. So click here, click pen again, I guess. And then draw, I'm going to do it the way I did it the first time. I thought this was like the axis title would really take the whole slide normally. Nope. All right, let's do the circle. I mean the circle version again. Oh, come on. Click and drag. Maybe, okay, I clicked on this again. Maybe you didn't want me to click on that. I don't know. I'm going to have to check all this after. Click and drag to draw a circle where the horizontal axis, this is, maybe it's, I got to be up higher. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe wake it high. Not sure what they're looking for really. Make it wide too. Okay, they accepted that one, man. So practice this thing, okay? Draw a question mark. So draw a question mark. And then put a dot on the question mark. No. And draw a question mark. I did. Oh, God. Let's do this part again. Just click back on. No, that went back down there. No, it took my dot. Oh, I didn't like that. Oh, that was practice, though. Okay, let's try it again. All right, so using the annotation pen. See, remember I clicked right here? They said Control P, so I'm going to not do what I did first. So first Control P. Okay, so that did pull up the pen. So then click it. Okay, and now do that drag. And I'm going to be up higher just to see, but that's still not that high. But I'm going to try to make it like more or less the width of the, what do you call it? Of the chart. Yeah, so it liked that better. And I'm going to make this a small circle. I mean a question mark instead of, shoot, well, not small now. It took it, okay. And then dot. Why doesn't, oh, maybe I don't need to put a dot. Let's see. All right, using the annotation pen, draw a circle where the horizontal axis title should appear, and then draw a question mark within that circle. That's a question mark. Why isn't it taking, you know what, I'm going to do what I did a minute ago. Just like click maybe on it. and then drag. It took that when I did it that way. Okay, so I don't know, but you saw what I had to do to make it work. Now draw a circle around the location where a vertical. Oh, great. All right, so a vertical would be over here, right? Because this is the horizontal, this is the vertical. The regular title would be here, but that's not for the vertical axis, I don't think. So I'm going to put this one here and go down here, go up here. Okay, and then again, a question mark in the circle. So in here. Okay, and then that. Okay, that time it let me do the dot. All right, so that's, oh, no. Oh, okay, wait. And return to normal view. I think to return to normal view, when you're in something, you just hit the escape key, because it's not like normal view would be down here. But I'm going to hit this. Okay, I hit escape twice. I hit it once, and maybe it didn't take it the first time. Want to keep and keep. Yes, so say keep. Whoa, that was, for me, that's hard, but I'm not real good, you know, with doing that kind of stuff. I'm just not the type of person that is good at it, but it looks like it's something you may have to practice, right? Okay, on slide 4, add a comment, and then the comment is just going to, oh, it's actually a whole sentence. Okay, so let's say if you're putting a comment, that means you're in the review tab. So there's a review tab up here. Here's a new comment, so click new comment. And now we have the comments dialog box over here, and I guess this is the comments pane. And I have to type, let's see, what should the horizontal axis and the vertical axis titles be? Question mark. See if I typed it right. I did. Close the comments pane. Close the comments pane. All right, so finally that's 1 done. That was more than I thought. Or was that 2 actually? Yeah, that's 2. The first one was easy. Okay, so 611 was definitely easy. 612 was, you know, probably easy for most of you guys, but it's hard for me to do things like where I'm having to draw on a, you know, with like a, what do you call my mouse? It's hard for me. Anyway, hide the markup and comment on slide 4. All right, so here we're already on the review tab. So for me to hide or show what we're going to be doing, it's obviously like a Boolean value. Remember, I've talked about Boolean values before. So I'm going to click either yes or no kind of thing. Let's see, I'm seeing the markup. So right now, I don't know if this is the markup or the comment that I did was the markup. I think this is the markup. So when I click it, it should take it away. No. Well, all right, it did what it wanted to though, because it said hide, now it's unhide. So the unhide would be the same thing again. Yeah, now the check mark is not there. So now do it this way again. All right, so that is done. Now let's see. Print preview, the markup print. Well, anything in print is from our file and our print. Okay. Print preview, the markup on slide 4 and the comment on the next page. All right, so I'm on slide 4, and to go to the next page, there's a what do you call down here, like a bunch of numbers. Like I'm on slide 4 of 9, so I'm going to click the greater than sign, meaning the next page. And okay, that's all I had to do on it, so I didn't do anything else. So I was already on slide 4. I clicked the and it said 4 of 9. I clicked the next, the greater than kind of thing, the next slide button, and it went to page 5. All right, so now compare and merge the current, compare and merge the current presentation with the presentation named P06H1. Well, you know, every time we have to do that, whenever we get to this folder, it's going to already be there. We're just going to have to click on it. So the thing is, we're comparing and merging though. So to compare and merge, again, it's a review because we're doing everything here for review. All right. So in our review tab, I want to compare. So here's compare, compare and merge, compare and merge. So here's click compare. Okay, so here's where that file is. P06H1 Harbor Akalushi PowerPoint file. Okay, so say merge it. Oh, okay, well, that was that. All right, read the comment on slide 1. Well, here's slide 1. This is a comment right here. Okay, so now it has, I've reviewed the presentation. This is if I'm making changes to it, and this is showing if I'm going to reply to it, I guess. So read the comment on slide 1 and then simultaneously accept, okay? So accept the changes. All right, so that should be nice and easy. Again, it's in review, and we're already in the review tab. Here's accept. So they want to accept all changes, not just this change. So all changes, not to the slide, but to the presentation. So right here, okay, click that one. All right, click slide 8. Slide 8. All right, and this one says reject the change. Okay, that's nice and easy too. So they have a change that was proposed, and we're going to hit this reject button. Again, the down arrow though, and it's just to the diagram. So yeah, not all, just reject, the change. Okay. End the review, discarding any unapplied changes. So here's an end review. So end it, and they're saying, do you want to save these or no? It says discard. Are you sure you want to end? This will end the review, and any applied will be discarded. Yes, so click yes. Okay, so that is that one. So now we're on number 4. Remember, I'm going to be doing doing 6. Okay, all right. Let's see. Compare. Oh, sorry. Apply the fly-in entrance animation to the dollar. Animations are always cool. To the dollar amounts on slide 6. All right, so go to slide 6. All right, so there's no dollar amounts in that, but they are over here. So I'm going to click obviously the first one and then hold my control key. Probably you can hold the shift key, it doesn't matter, but I'm doing my control key for those 5. So they're all selected, and they want me to apply a fly-in. Okay. So let's see, animations on slide 6. So here is our animations. Here is fly in. So fly in. Okay, so I've got the animations, and now on slide 6, I'm on slide 6, set the animation applied to the 5 arrows. I'm not sure if I have to reselect these because they're not selected anymore. I'm going to try it without doing it, and then if I need to do it, I'll do it. So it says after the previous. So after previous. No. So I got to click these again, most likely. So hold your control key and click them all. Okay. And now go back to the same, because we've this where it says 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, these are animations. And this, so this is the animation pane, and this is saying when do you want to start it, or how do you want to start it? On click, meaning you'd have to click it to make it work. With the previous, I guess with the previous slide, but anyway, it said after previous. So hopefully it'll work this time. Yeah. Simultaneously delete all comments. Okay. So again, we have to go back to the review. So review, and here's comments, but here's a delete button. So we did an accept, we did a reject, and now in delete, we want to delete all comments. Same thing, and not just in the slide, but the present. Every time we've had to do it based on this one, I think. So delete all comments in the presentation, delete all comments. I'll say yes. Close the comments pane. So here's comments, close it. All right, so that is 6.1.4. So we've done 4, there's 2 to go. 2 to go for me, more for you guys. All right, rehearse timings so that the slides advance after, automatically after 6 seconds. Sorry, we're going to play with a timer, okay? All right, let's see. So rehearse timings. So we got to go to the slideshow for sure. Do we got to start on number? They're on slide 1. Rehearse timing set the slides advance automatically. So that's where we want to be, I think. Otherwise, they would tell us on a particular slide. So we're wanting to set up. So this is the setup, and we want to set up rehearse timing. So this is rehearse timings, okay? And then after 6 seconds. So here it's on 4, 5. I already got to click it. Okay, so click it after 6. Okay, I did. Maybe it didn't take. Let me do it again. 6, take. Okay, took me 2 times to make it take. The total time for your slideshow was, oh, all right, there's 9 slides. 9 times 6 is 54. So maybe I did it twice because the first time they want to see if it's going to be like the same for the second one, in which case it would be the same for all of them. Maybe if the second one was a different amount of seconds, then I would have had to keep going. So I think they made me do it twice to determine that it was going to be the same. And then they automatically are applying 6 to all 9 slides. So 6 9s are 54. So anyway, I'm going to assume it's that way. So I'll say yes. All right. Okay, that's 5. So yeah, today's recording, let's see, I started it at 11:18, I'm saying. 12 and 14 is 26. Oh, maybe I can finish it in 30 minutes. Okay. Let's see. Add the tag center to the presentation's properties. Well, presentation properties are pretty easy, obviously. We're going to go to our backstage view. So let's see, are we on the right? That doesn't matter by the slide here. So file, and let's see, center to the presentation's property. So when you're in info, it's all here. And they want to add the tag. You see there's a tag right here. So click add a tag and type center with a capital C. And then exit backstage. So exit meaning this. It didn't say to click OK or whatever. So I click my back arrow. Oh, I'm not done. Okay. Now display the advanced properties. So file. And then in your properties, let's see. File properties. Oh, here's properties. So saying advanced properties. There's nothing after it. So maybe the down arrow. So down arrow. Okay, advanced properties. Let's see. Add Harbor Business Center in the subject box. So here's this Harbor Business. This is already in the title box. Anyway, Harbor. Okay, and it just added it down below, or more information down below. Let's see. Yeah, auto complete did the rest. Confirm the changes in the dialog box. So say OK. Done. All right, so that's 6 questions. So this one is not quite 30 minutes. I'm very, very happy about that. So let me go back to, let me hit escape. Oh, no, shoot, I got to submit. So I see how many of them I did. Let's see, where am I? Well, hopping. Oh, shoot, I think I got out of the page. No. I did. I got to go back over there to, wait, where am I? All right, I'm still here. Oh, no, okay, sorry, I got to scroll down again, that's all. This thing confused me. So 40% and 5, 46% and 6. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And it only took 25 minutes fishing. All right, so that's good. And I'm going to end this recording. So let's see, go here. Have a great day. Okay, have a great day. I'm going to do one more recording sometime this weekend on project for chapter 3. All right, have a great day and a great weekend. Let's see that. Stop.